Hello, my name is Chris Pike, and this summer I interned at the Alaska Center for Energy and Power, and I'd like to take a few minutes and tell you about some of the projects I participated in. This summer for me was actually a continuation of an internship that I began last summer, where I worked on a team that investigated projects as part of the Emerging Energy Technology Grant. Last summer for me culminated in the report, which you see here on your right, about solar thermal in Arctic environments. This summer I worked on a broad scope of things. I continued working with the Emerging Technology Program and investigated a number of projects and helped ensure that they were instrumented correctly. In addition, I helped do some technical reviews and report writing of some of the reports from previous years. I also made renewable energy presentations to community members and worked as part of the Pilgrim Hot Springs project team. Some of the emerging technology projects I worked on included this one you see in the top left here, which was a heat pump installation at the Cold Climate Housing Research Center. The one here on the top right is a new way of planting poplar trees in interior Alaska as part of an additional source of biomass. And then these two pictures here at the bottom were some of the designs that are participating in the Emerging Technology Fund, and these two are actually hydrokinetic devices designed to get energy from moving water, such as in rivers and tides. One of the technical reviews that I participated in was part of the Ocean Renewable Power Corporation research that took place during the last grant period, and you can see here some of the drawings that I made with the labels and all that kind of stuff, which helped with the final reporting. The community presentation that I gave on renewable energy was part of the Cooperative Extension Service Community Lecture Series, and there's a lot of interest in solar and especially photovoltaics right now in Alaska, so I talked a lot about that. On the bottom left here you can see a map that compares the annual solar radiation in Alaska and Germany, as well as in the rest of the United States. And on the top right here you can see a typical grid-tied solar electric system that would be installed in houses around the country and even around the world. As part of the Pilgrim's Hot Springs Geothermal Exploration Project, I've been working on a number of tasks. I went out there in July and was part of a team that helped monitor the temperatures from various wells. I've been busy communicating with stakeholders and various permitting agencies, as well as I plan on being present during the construction season to ensure that permits are followed appropriately and things go as planned. You can see here some of the results from the well temperature monitoring that's been done over the years, and you can see that in the resource, the geothermal resource, some of the highest temperatures are actually pretty close to the surface and way down deep. And this is a little bit unusual, but that's the way that the resource presents itself. I'd like to offer a special thanks to Siemens for sponsoring me this year in this internship, with the Alaska Center for Energy and Power, and for the Institute of Northern Engineering, and especially a lot of thanks to the staff and all the other interns here at ACEP that made this such an enjoyable experience. ACEP's been great, and I look forward to working with them in the future. Thank you very much.